Yeah, welcome to another night of learning how to design with your phone. In today's video, we're going to be looking on how we're going to design a logo, just a simple logo. The name of the logo is Capcut. This is a Capcut logo. So let's learn how to design or how to make a Capcut logo. So if you are new in this video, I would like you to subscribe. It's just free. Just subscribe and let's get started. So we're going to add shapes. Just add our shapes. We make it a bit rectangular, and then we change the color of the shape to black. After changing to black, we still go back up to the radius and increase the radius to, let me say, 20%. Then we click on good. Then after that, we reposition the shape. We copy the shape. After copying the shape, we change the color of the shape to white. Let's use white color. Can you see it? After changing the copied shape, then we now reduce the size, let it fit in the previous shape. Then after that, let me just reposition it. After that, we're going to copy another shape. After copying another shape, we now change the color of this third shape to red. Let's use red. Now we're going to increase the wideness of this third shape. Just increase the wideness, make it a bit wider. So after that, we now group these three shapes together by merging them. We now merge them together. So after merging them together, we now reposition them. Now after repositioning them, we now still go to our erase color. We click this erase color here, just click on it, then we enable it. After enabling it, you click on this eyedropper tool, this one here, you just click on it, click on this drop tool, and then we're going to select the color we want to pick. This color we are picking is just an unwanted color, so I want to pick red. You see it is indicating red. If you want to pick black, you just shift it will indicate black. Can you see it? So I want to pick red. I'll just click on pick. Can you see it? It has now picked out the red. We now click on good. So after that, we still reposition reduce it slightly, then we still add another shape. This shape we're adding is just in form of line. Let's check if there is line. Okay, there is no line here. All these ones are arrows. So what we're going to do, we form line through this shape also. We form line through the shape, and then we now change the color also to black. So after changing to black, we now press good. Then we just increase the wideness a little bit, and then we reduce the height of it, and then we now make it in a slanting form. We keep it here. We just position it at the center here, at the center, making what we call a scissor shape. And then what we're going to do now is we copy this again, and then we position it to intersect with each other. Then we still slightly shift this previous shape. Can you see it now? Reposition it. So that is how, or that was how Capcut logo was formed with Pixel Lab. Can you see it now? It's now looking good. So we're almost done. What we're going to do next is to group these items together. We group them together by merging it. So after doing that, we still add another shape. This shape we're going to add is a vertical rectangle. We just place it here, and then we change the color, let me say to red, or to any other color apart from black, to any other color apart from black. Then after positioning it there, we still take a copy of this shape also, then we fix it here also. So doing the same thing we did previously, we group them together. After grouping them together, we are now going to pick out the red color. I'm going to pick out the red color. So go to our erase color, enable it using this eyedrop tool, then we'll pick out any of the red color and I click on. Can you see it? So that is how Capcut's logo was found. So if you're enjoying value to this content, I would like you to subscribe to our channel so that you will be the first to get notified. So after doing that, you can now save it. So how to save this logo? You just come to this double square here, just click on it, then we go to transparent, just click on this transparent. It's going to save as. So you just click on, you can change the color of this, just go to the color, you can change the color, just go to this, then change the color. Network graphics of the Capcut PNG. Can you see it? We've changed the color automatically. Can you see it? Click on good, then we now save it. So here it displays as a PNG format. Can you see it? Here it displays. So thanks.